it's Joy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, that's awesome. Then just welcome to my channel. I do unboxings, makeup try-ons, and I throw in all kinds of things to keep you on your toes. So if you're interested in any of that, keep watching. Today, I am going to be opening up, unbagging friend mail that I got from Gracefully Cheryl. And I think she's thanking me from the collab that we did together. Now, I'm the last one, so I got to get off my horse. This is like, doesn't want to open. There we go. This is super exciting. You're going to hear my family in the background, but they're up here visiting for 4 days, and my granddaughter wanted to see what was in the bag. So we are unbagging it. The first thing that I see is Generation Clay, and this is like a super cute bottle because purple is my favorite. It says Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. That is so cool. Well, I can't smell it because it has got a little seal on it. And then I see this Daily Green Protection Cleansing Water. That's super cool. Then I got some Luxie GA. It says, unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. That is what this looks like. Oh, it's got brushes in it. Ooh. Oh, these are nice. Next thing that I'm seeing, look, a necklace, possibly? Ooh, huh. That's super cute. And then there is some Real Her I Am the Beast matte lipstick. I Am the Beast is the shade. That is what the package looks like. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, yeah. Definitely gonna like that color. For sure. Then I have a whole bunch of sheet masks, which is awesome because I do Mask Mondays now. I have Star Skin Eye Catcher Soothing Bio Cellulose Eye Mask. That's cool. I have a Charcoal Pore Care. Them are good. I've used them before. I have a Dermal Apricot Collagen Essence Mask. I hope that smells super good. And then there is a Cucumber Collagen Essence Mask by Dermal also. The Coffee Scrub. Oh, this is cool. I can't remember if people were getting this in their FabFitFun or their Kinder Beauty Box, was it called? I don't know, but I was like, oh, I would love to use one of them, and now I get to. And then the JC, or it's either JC or JG, Rose Blossom Mask. And that's super cool, because I love masks. And then something don't want to come out. I have another Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes, eye mask. That is super awesome. And then, oh, I remember this, and she told me I could have it. That is so cool. There is this scarf, and it's like a leopard print, but black instead of brown. It is awesome. It's beautiful. I will wear it. And then, oh, this is the greatest. Oh, thank you so much, Gracefully Cheryl. You're cool as heck. She sent me the Illuminati Isabel Bedoye palette that came in the October Premium BoxyCharm base box. And I think she got more than one. So that is super cool. I've been dying. I wanted to try these colors, but I was so good and didn't order anything on BoxyCharm add-ons. So now I have another palette to play with. That is awesome. And then she sent a cute little card with it. I wonder if I should read that first. Says Joy, I had a great time working with you for our collab. It was great getting to know you better. Cheryl, of course, it was awesome. And now I need to send them a friend package because, yeah, I'm just really lazy. Anyways, you guys, I hope you liked what I was sent. Hope you have a wonderful day. Remain awesome. Peace.